What's up, people? You are watching Deck of Codes with Priyank Nair, and today I'm going to teach you about variables and numbers. So let's start coding. My new REPL, Python. Now I'll write variables. Okay. So do you know what are variables? सो बचपन से सीखा है कि वेरिएबल्स एक ऐसा पार्ट है जो आपका कोई भी चीज़ सेव करते हैं. लाइक इफ आई से a इक्वल टू 2, a इज़ अ वेरिएबल विच हैज़ द वैल्यू 2. a is saved as 2, so a is a variable. B equal to 7, b is a variable. C equal to 4.5, c is a variable. D equal to not just numbers. Like if I say D छोड़ो, name, what's my name? Priyank. So now if I put anything in double inverted commas or single inverted commas, it becomes a string. वो एक string है. String मतलब basically I can write a sentence, a word, anything in a string. Like my name is Priyank Nair. I can save that as a string in a variable called name. Now let's print all this. Let's see what we can see. Print A, then print B, then print name. So here you can see 2, 7 and Priyank. So all the variables value is been printed on the terminal page. So not just this, let's see what are the type of variables like A, C, B, C, name. Let's see. So type is a function in Python which shows the class of the variable, like on which class it belong to. Say print type of A. So let me copy this. Then B, then C, then let's say name. So when I run it, you can see all the classes. See, A is a variable of class int, means it is an integer, minus infinity to plus infinity, no decimal points. B is also an integer. See, C is a float number. Float number means all the numbers which contains a decimal point is a float number. And the fourth one is a string, as I told you before. Priyank is a string. So let's put here 0.0. Let's see what will happen. See, here B became a string because it has a decimal point. So let's say if I write big sister. My big sister is 30 years old and me is, let's say, small brother is 23 years old. So what is the difference between their ages? So difference between ages equal to big sister minus small brother. And if I print difference between ages, and if I run it, you can see 7. See, so you can play with all the variables you have. Now there are some rules to write a variable. You can't write any function name as a variable, or you can't write a sign as a variable. Like you can write plus as a variable, you can write minus as a variable. So hash means comment. You can comment by putting a hash. So shouldn't be a function name. Then special character. Special character. Then variable can contain underscore. Should not contain space. It should contain underscore. Like it can underscore but not space. Understood? Then array space. So what all can we have in the variable? So we can have from small a to small z, comma capital A to capital Z, numbers 0 to infinity. How many numbers you can, like 9, and I'll just write numbers. So this all you can have in the, then this all you can have in your variable. So there is one more variable, it's called boolean variable. Like am I human? Am I human? So yes, true. I am a human, so true. Am I robot? So no, I am not a robot. So these two are boolean variables, like either it's a true or it's a false. So let's say if I print am I human, and if I print the type of it, print type am I human, and if I run it, see, you can see it came true and the type is boolean. See, so this is how you have main 4 type of variables. It's an integer, float, string and a boolean value. So there are many variables we'll see in our future videos, but for this video that's it. If you want, you can play with all these variables, see what you can do, and we'll meet in next video. In next video I'll teach you about numbers and strings. Strings are very important. So you can get the link of my REPL in the description below. Whatever I code, you can see my coding in each video. Thank you. Bye bye.